Alright guys, today I'm going to show you something that does TS80 is really works for this power bank. I have an answer now, but I still want to show you that exactly happened. Okay, let's start it. So first I have this 4-key power bank with 10,000 milliampere per hour, and this very expensive USB-C to USB-C normal cable, but this one is a universal USB-C cable. It has a micro USB connector to this USB-C connector, and then for the end we have a USB-A to the USB-A connector to the let me show you the USB-C here. So for your information, this TS80 is only works for QC 3.0. What is QC 3.0? Is a Qualcomm 3.0 fast charging. It's a 9 volt 2 ampere. So if you're using other charger with 9 volt 2 ampere, it's not working because this only works for QC 3.0. so you have to find a QC. There's a label here, as you can see. It works only for QC 3.0 9 volt 2 ampere. Okay, first you can use any USB-C cable, but I have only had this one. And then because my power bank has two USB-A. The orange one is a USB, is a QC 3.0, and this one is a normal USB-A charger, which is 5 volt 2 ampere. This one is 9 volt 2 ampere. Okay, but this one is a quick charge. It's a fast charging. So let me plug into this cable. Okay, now it's connected. And then on the left, this soldering iron, TS80 soldering iron. And now I use the USB-A to USB-C. Once you connect, you will display out this setting heating. Okay, this is the first start out. It was like this, but when you want to start this TS80, when you start it up for putting on the power bank or charger, it will display this the initial display will show some information. Okay, let me try again here. You go to sleep mode now. Okay, it will show you the version, and then you want to heat it up, you press this button. You only have two buttons here and here, so you press this. The maximum temperature is 400 degrees, and then once this temperature reach to 400, the temperature here 400, it should be always stay on in 400 degrees, right? But my setup is, as you can see, it disappeared, so it go to sleep mode now because I'm using the power bank to bar. Okay, so you can see here, when I click the power bank, it will start out again, and then I have to press again to heat it up, and then it start heating up. And then after that, when it reach to 400 degrees, okay, let me show you the setup here. As you can see, so the iron, cable, and power banks. As you can see now, it's a 400 degrees now, and then after a while, it will go to sleep mode. It will not always stay on. See? And then you have to turn on through here the power bank. This now I'll show you again. Press, lights on, and then boot it up. boot it up again, and then still again, now heat it up, and then press. So for the concept of the soldering iron, when you power is on, the temperature increase, and will stay on, increase the temperature until the maximum limit, just like this. It's not like up until the maximum temperature and then it will shut off, go to sleep mode. No, this is not a soldering works. Okay, so I searched all the information from the internet, but it doesn't say about these features for using the power bank. I see a lot of people say, oh, you can use this soldering for the power bank. No, it doesn't work. It doesn't work. Okay, so soldering iron, you must use the charger to plug into your wall outlet and turn on, and then this thing will increase the temperature and then will stay on the temperature on that maximum limit or your desired temperature. You will always stay on, and then it will not go to the sleep mode. So that's a problem if you want to use this for portable, okay, want to do some portable job. This is a problem, and then you can see it was off, it was never on. So I think this device does not have the, I don't know how to call it, but in the electronic features, it doesn't have a always enabled when you plug into the power bank. Let me show you. If I use the USB fan, this is the USB fan from Xiaomi. If I plug in the fan here, plug in, then the fan is on. So let me give me 5 seconds, and this thing is still on. I think there's something, a circuit or anything to enable the features to link it to allow to use power bank for this device TS80. It's still on, and I'm using a QC 3.0 9 volt 2 ampere. It's a quick charge. Okay, so I hope you guys this will help you when you want to buy this item. And then if you like my video, click a like below, and then if you have anything want to say, anything want to ask, just leave a comment in the comment section below. And then please subscribe my channel, and then if you think this video is help you, also will help others people, please share this video to others people, to the world, or to your country, to your friend, to family, anything else. Okay, just share it. So that's about it. I will see you next video.